Hello everyone, I'm Sudipta welcoming you all to StudyIQ OPSC. So guys, today's session is about the National Park of India. Before that, just give a look. See guys, already ଆମର Aarambh batch जोटा कि admission start ହେଇ ସାରିଲାଣି काली ही तार लास्ट डेट अच्छी जो माने भी चाहूचंदी बैच रे जॉइन हेबा लगी दे कैन यूज माय कोड एसएसपी लाइव और एबे न्यू हमर चली छी बैच एडमिशन देन like যদি মো কোড यूज करूछंदी या फिर कोनोसी भी एजुकेटर माने को कोड यूज करूछंदी they can avail the least discounted price with the gross amount and guys the Aarambh batch already foundation batch gote amara launch he sarichi this one is the second batch and again the paripurna batch this is for all the Odisha students especially so this is the foundation batch 3 and it has also started so যদি भी चाहूचंदी just ଏବେ recently start ହେଇଛି if you are interested then you can also join by using my code SSP live clear and the guys this is the test series the अभ्यास test series guys परिपूर्ण batch ର feature रहिछि कि आपण माने जदी clear करूचंदी pre then आपनकर pre ର amount आपनको refund मिलिबो with that आपनको 23 free mock test मिलिबो जोटा कि आपको help करिवो mains clear करिबारे and आपनको whole NCERT रो video solution आपनको class provide कराजिवो and guys तापर भी जदि आपण मानक प्रिपरेशन आपण आहुरी एनहांस करबा को चाहउचंदी then you can also join our batch the test series of अभ्यास batch that is helpful for 2024-25 batch and it's also has starting on 25th May 2025 already start he sarilani but still you can join and आपनको full pack ही मिलेबो so coming to the point and guys we also have the sociology optional you can also join the batch like educators code use करके अपन batch join करि परिबे else you can also use my code to join the batch to enroll the batch okay Amit Misra hello Amit okay so shall we start the class from the national parks of India clear see what is the national park केबे एटा एस्टैब्लिश हेथिला हमर एग्जाम पर्सपेक्टिव रो कोन इंपोर्टेंस रहुची इंडिया रे टोटल 106 as of 2025 there are 106 national parks are present in India from that Odisha रे dita national park one is Bhitarkanika and other is Similpa तो ता विषय रे हम डिटेल रे जानिबा MCQs राउंड अपन माने जानि चंदी जेंति मोर रुहे बट बिफोर दैट किछि ब्रीफ अपन को आईडिया मु प्रोवाइड करे about what is national park केबे स्टार्ट हेतिला and the difference between the national park and the ଆମର यूनेस्को वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट कोन कोन वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी एंड नेशनल पार्क भीतर आपण माने डिफरेंशिएट केमिति करिवे एवरीथिंग वी विल सी इन दिस क्लास सो सी guys a national park is a protected area established by government to conserve the biodiversity the flora fauna and the natural ecosystem everything present in our environment in our biodiversity ताकू हमरा कंजर्व करिबा लागि ताकू सेफली रखिबा लागि नेशनल पार्क रो बिल्ट हेथि unlike other types of protected areas like national parks have stricter protection rule like ଆମର ରାମସର ସାଇଟ୍ ରାମସର କନଭେନସନ ଅଛି ଆପଣ ମାନେ ଜାଣିଥିବେ no doubt wildlife sanctuary ଅଛି ଆପଣ ମାନେ ଜାଣିଥିବେ among all the types of protected areas the like our national parks have some strict rules to follow that and guys and no human activity is allowed the best you can differentiate between the wildlife sanctuary and the national park is the human intervention or you can say the human activity is not allowed inside the national park except for tourism and scientific research under regulated condition the prohibited area the normal like person cannot go inside that okay if the tourists are as you can say that ma'am the tourists are also the normal people yes guys they are also normal but in the condition like protected or with the precaution they have to go they have to visit to the nearest place so chalo next dekho the legal framework about the national park so first dekho the wildlife protection act that is very important one that is held ହେଇଥିଲା କେବେ 1972 ରେ, provides legal basis for the declaration and management of national parks. That section 35 of the act empowers the state government to declare an area as a national park. Clear? And no alteration in boundaries of a national park can be made without approval from the central government. So total तार statutory body के रहूची, तार governing body के रहूची state government, जो state रहूची सेटा को allocate करिवे, but still the higher authority is always the central government. Clear? See the next about it. Guys, what is the features about the national park? What is the purpose to build the national park? First, the conservation of wildlife, flora, fauna, and the natural heritage. Human activities not allowed. No grazing, forestry, or not any kind of habitation are allowed in the protected national parks or the protected area. And the ownership is the government owned, state government and the central government, no doubt. The wholly government owned. And the legal status is the higher protection like act under Wildlife Protection Act 1972 is implemented here. And the entry is the regulated tourism allowed. Examples you can 106 national parks आमर present अछि इंडिया रे, ता भितर आपने किछि भी example नै पारिबे, ठीक अछि। जेहेतु आमे OPSC दउचे एंड आमर ओडिसा रे दीटा आपण example लेले ताले उठके बेसी attracting, बेसी टिके eye catching हबो। ओके, very good morning, very good morning. So see, the national parks in India are in total how? This is 106. The total protected area on the national parks. Approximately whole geographical area ra kete na 1.23% of India ra cover karuchi. The first national park, guys, keep it in your mind. Eta exam re randomly pakouchi the first national park, the oldest national park, the smallest national park, the only floating national park. So एगुड़ा टिके मन रखिବାକୁ पड़िबो. Guys, the first national park is Jim Corbett National Park. Established ହେଇଥିଲା 1936 रे ହେଇଥିଲା. कोठी ହେଇଥିଲା ना UK रे, not United Kingdom, the उत्तराखंड रे ହେଇଥିଲା. Okay. As the Haley National Park. The Corbett National Park established in 1936 as Haley National Park. आपण माने ताको Corbett National Park कहि परिबे. You also can call that the Haley National Park. Clear? That is present in Uttarakhand and first national park that is established in the year 1936 in India. Next, see. Guys, as I have said it before that what is the difference between national park and wildlife sanctuary? Guys, first criteria is the human activity that is inside our national park that is strictly prohibited. But in the case of wildlife sanctuary, guys, some regulated activities are allowed. In the case of boundary change, guys, only by parliament, like parliament जोटा set करिथिबो सेही boundary को ही से माने cover up करिवे, not after that, not before the exact particular area. But wildlife sanctuary को किए like तारा set किए करिवो तारा boundary ना state government set करिवो. Okay, but in the case of national park किए करिवो ना central government करिवो or parliament करिवो. The focus area about the national park is the wildlife and ecosystem and their conservation. That is where in the case of wildlife sanctuary, the focus area is where to the animal, the living organisms to make comfortable to more flexible can include the local activities also. Clear? Ma'am, this year my second attempt UPSC and OPSC both. I am from Sonpur district of Odisha but living in Chennai. Good to know it. How may I help you? Then let me know. If there is any kind of possibility is there to help you out, then that will be my pleasure to help. So see, right, so 106 total list of national parks I have discussed. So Andaman रे केते अछि Andaman and Nicobar रे like सबुटु highest अछि guys मध्य प्रदेश रे. एटा भी exam रे पड़े. Total highest number of national parks are present in which state of India, that is in Madhya Pradesh, that is 11. But instead of that, the second highest is the Andaman and Nicobar, and this is the list. ओके एंड जदि मु टोटल डिटेल आपन को कहबा को जेबी ताले सेटा तो गोटे डिफरेंट क्लास होबो मे बी जदि आपन मानकर कमेंट रे मते जणेबे इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड देन मु तारो गोटे सेपरेट वीडियो आपन को रिकॉर्डिंग थ्रू रे प्रोवाइड करि परिबी YouTube रे ओके बट लाइव सेशन रे दैट इज लाइक दिस इज नॉट दैट पॉसिबल टू कवर अप होल 106 नेशनल पार्क्स ओके so here the Campbell Bay National Park and the Galathea Bay National Park guys just have a look these are the national parks MCQs round bhi amara karibar achi but delay he jibo that's why I'm just going forward okay so see the Andhra Pradesh have 3 national parks that is the Hotikonda National Park established year are stay beside that so keep it in your mind the Rajiv Gandhi National Park that is the Rameswaram popularly known as the Rameswaram National Park जदि आपण माने गूगल रे सर्च करबा को जिबे देन यू कैन फाइंड दैट द पोपिकोंडा नेशनल पार्क द रामेश्वरम नेशनल पार्क एंड द श्री वेंकटेश्वर नेशनल पार्क ओके सो रामेश्वरम नेशनल पार्क इज नथिंग बट द राजीव गांधी नेशनल पार्क that is established in the year 2005 whereas the Venkateshwara National Park is established in the year 1989 okay and the Arunachal Pradesh has 2 national parks that is Moling National Park established in the year 1986 whereas the Namdapha National Park in 1983. The first national park, keep it in your mind, established केबे हेइतिला 1936 रे. ताकू के जमा भूलिबनी. कोठी हेइतिला ना उत्तराखंड. So Assam has केते ना 7टा national park हमरो अछि. So what are the 7 national parks? That is the Dibru Sikhowa National Park 1999 रे हेइतिला and then these are the 7 list of the national parks are present in the Assam state. Next guys see the Bihar has only one guys serially तम मानन को गोटे वीडियो प्रोवाइड करबी as of now मते लागु छी that is important कि आपण माने केमती इजीली 106 नेशनल पार्क मन रखि परिबे like beside that आपण माने इजीली ट्रिक वाइज केमती सेटा को मन रखि परिबे तो स्टार्टिंग रो जदी 1 2 3 4 करिके जिबे गोटे नेशनल पार्क केतेटा स्टेट रे अछि बीटा नेशनल पार्क केतेटा स्टेट रे अछि तीनटा नेशनल पार्क केतेटा स्टेट रे अछि that can be easy to access that okay so hopefully बहुत जल्दी मैं तमन को वीडियो प्रोवाइड कर बट बिहार रे केतेटा अछि गाइस गोटे अछि दैट इज द वाल्मीकि नेशनल पार्क मोस्टली इंपोर्टेंट हमर जेतु ओडिशा स्टेट हम नेबरिंग स्टेट जो माने अछंती तांको पाखरे केतेटा नेशनल पार्क अछि सेटा हमर मन रखबा निहाती दरकार एज ऑफ ओपीएससी इंपोर्टेंट पर्सपेक्टिव्स तो 1989 में बिहार रे वाल्मीकि नेशनल पार्क एस्टैब्लिश हेतिला छत्तीसगढ़ हैज 3 नेशनल पार्क दैट इज द गुरु घोसीदास दैट इज द संजय नेशनल पार्क मन रख गोटे राजीव गांधी नेशनल पार्क गाइस कोठी हमर थिला सॉरी एठी नै ना यस आंध्र प्रदेश हैज द राजीव गांधी नेशनल पार्क ओके सो एंड हमर छत्तीसगढ़ हैज द संजय नेशनल पार्क मन रखिबो आंध्र प्रदेश एंड छत्तीसगढ़ आंध्र प्रदेश रे बड़ भाई अछंती छत्तीसगढ़ रे सान भाई अछंती ताकू रिलेट करके मन रखिबो एंड द इंद्रावती दैट इज द कुटू नेशनल पार्क गाइस द साइड रे तार नाटा एथि पई जोडा तार निकनेम जोडा तार लोकल नेम प्रोनाउंस होची सेटा मु लिखि छि सो दैट तमे ता सहित रिलेट करके मन रखिबो एग्जाम रे तम मानन को जस्ट टिके इल्यूजन रे पकेबा लागि एमती थाए कि तुमको साइड रे गोटे छोट तार शॉर्ट नेम लिखि दे थाए जोडा कि तम माने जानि परिबो तो इंद्रावती सहित कुटू भी मन रखिबो एंड संजय सहित गुरु घसीदास भी मन रखिबो द कैगर वैली नेशनल पार्क इज आल्सो 1982 रे एस्टैब्लिश हेतिला and as well as the Goa has one Bihar has one national park Goa also has one national park okay एटा को तमे एते फोकस करनी मु तुमको सप्ताहे वीडियो प्रोवाइड करबा को जाउची जोडा कि तमे ट्रिक वाइज मन रखि परिबो all the 106 national parks of India and what is more important that's also I will mention there next the Goa has one national park that is the Mollem National Park that is established in the year 1992 in Goa next see the Gujarat has 4 national parks that is the Vanstar National Park established in 1979 where is the Black Rock that is the the Balbadar National Park boli ko ajay famously so Balbadar National Park exam re bhi mostly pakkeji I think 2022 वाला exam रे पक्के थिला as I have remembered 1976 रे establish हेथिला Gir National Park guys 1975 रे establish हेथिला Marine that is the Gulf of Kanch that is the national park 1982 guys this is very important national park aku मन रखिबा the Marine or popularly known as the Gulf of Kutch National Park whereas Haryana has 2 national park as well as Odisha also has 2 national park so Odisha को relate करिबो का सहित Haryana okay जोटा first one केतेटा national park the states having 1 national park, the states having 2 national parks, the states having 3 national parks regularly आमे ताको कौन repetitively मन रखिबा. Clear? So Haryana guys what? Just a minute, just give me a minute. Hello? Yeah, am I audible? Yes. So, Haryana has 2 national parks, that is the Kaleswar National Park and the Sultanpur National Park, established in the year 2003 and 1989. In the case of Himachal National Park, Himachal Pradesh re ketna present achi guys? That is 5 national parks are present in the Himachal state. Clear? There is 5 national parks are present in the Himachal Pradesh. That is the Great Himalayan National Park, Indarkila National Park, the Khirganga National Park, the Peen Valley National Park, the Simbalbara National Park, and all others. Okay. Next, the Jammu and Kashmir has 4 national parks. That is very important. Recently, Jammu and Kashmir attack ହେଇଥିଲା, so ଆମକୁ ମନେ ରଖିବାକୁ ପଡିବ the national parks having Jammu and Kashmir. That is the city forest. That is the Salim Ali National Park, famously known as in the local area. And the Dachi Gam National Park, guys, this is very, very important. The Dachi Gam National Park in 1981. The Kistwar National Park, that is 1981. The Hemis National Park, 1981 established ହେଇଥିଲା, and the Kazinag National Park. Sorry to forget, I have to mention the established year, but again तमानकु video provide करिवि सेते well mentioned सब किछि थिबो. Okay, the Jharkhand has 1 national park, as well as the Goa also 1 national park, Bihar also 1 national park. So याकु ता under relate करिवो. That is Jharkhand has the Betla National Park, established in year 1986. See the Karnataka guys. The Karnataka has 5 national parks. That is the Ansi National Parks, Bandipur National Parks. Guys, see the Bandipur and the everything, the Nagarol hela. That Nagarol could be guys outer Monarcha Rajiv Gandhi National Park. Karnataka as well as Andhra Pradesh re amar thila. ता सहित आमर छत्तीसगढ़ रे अछि संजय गांधी, आंध्र प्रदेश रे अछि राजीव गांधी, अगेन आमर नागरला रे भी राजीव गांधी को डिनोटेड करा जायछि तांको नाम को. दैट इज द नागरला नेशनल पार्क. एंड कर्नाटक रे केतेटा प्रेजेंट होउछि 5 नेशनल पार्क्स, केरला रे केतेटा प्रेजेंट होउछि 6 नेशनल पार्क्स. दिस आर वेरी इंपोर्टेंट, ताको मन रखिबो. जोटा मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट ताको मन रखिबो. एंड सॉरी टू से मो मध्य प्रदेश तुमको 11 कहितली, बट एटा एंड आ गोटे ऐड हे जायछि जोटा कि हमर केते रहउछि ना highest number of national parks are present in which state? That is the Madhya Pradesh, having 12 national parks. Madhya Pradesh having 12 national parks. That is 1968. Fossil National Park 1983. Indira Priyadarshini Pench National Park, that is 1975. Kanha National Park, that is very important guys. Kanha National Park is 1955. The Madhav National Park is 1959. And the Panna Sanjay, here is also Sanjay National Park guys. ताको मन रखिबा. संजय आ गोटे कोडी थिले, संजय थिले हमरो छत्तीसगढ़ रे. Okay, the Satpura National Park, the Vanvihar National Park, Kuno National Park. Kuno is also important guys, ताको मन रखिबा. And the Naradehi National Park and the Singhori National Park. and establishing year are also mentioned. Right. So Maharashtra having 6 national parks, guys. Manipur having 2 national parks. Meghalaya having 2 national parks. Okay, that is Manipur having what? The Meghalaya 2 but not mentioned, right? The Kabul is very important, and Meghalaya, guys, Balpakharam is very important national park. Clear? Next, dekho. The Mizoram, guys, having 2 national park, as well as Nagaland having 1 national park, and Odisha, most importantly, keep it in your mind, the Bhitarkanika with the establishing year 1988 with Similpa National Park, that is 1980. 1980. Clear? See, Rajasthan has 5 national parks, that is the Mukundra Hills National Park, Desert National Parks, Keoladeo Ghana National Parks, the Ranthambore National Park, the Sariska National Park. Sikkim has only 1 national park. Tamil Nadu has 4 national parks, whereas Ladakh only 1, that is Hemis, that also important. Jehetu Ladakh is a gote bole national park achi. Next I see Telangana. Andhra Pradesh देखिथिला, Telangana Andhra Pradesh separate हे जाई, ताको national park भी separate. So Kasu Brahmananda Reddy National Park, that is 1994 established हेइतला. Mahavir Harina the Banasthali National Park 1994 हेइतला. The Mruguvani National Park 1994 रे established हेइतला. So तीनटा जाका national park हमरो गोटे year रे established हेइतला. So ताको मन रखिया पई किछि like अधिक time लागिबनी. So Tripura has 2 national parks, that is the Clouded Leopard National Parks 2007 established heithila. The Vishon, that is the Rajbari National Park, establishing year is 2007. The Uttar Pradesh has only 1 national park, that is the Dudhwa National Park. That is very important, guys, exam re ase. Ebe bi amara MCQs re asibo, just keep it in your mind. Asile comment section re mate answer janaibo. Okay, that is established in the year 1977. So national parks in Uttarakhand. Okay, Uttarakhand रे केतेटा national park, I think तमनको भूल से मैं उत्तराखंड कहितली, that is UP has the highest number of 12 national parks instead of Uttarakhand has the 6 only. Okay, name रे भूल हो जाइतला. So the one is the Jim Corbett National Park, established in 1936 रे, that is very important. Valley of Flowers National Park, that's also very important, 1982 रे established हेइतला. Nanda Devi National Park, that's also important. Rajaji National Park, important. Gangotri National Park, important. Gobind National Park, important. छटा जाक national park जोटा कि हमर present रहिछि उत्तराखंड रे, these all are important for the exam perspective. एथि पे देखो separately रखिबी. Okay, and the key features are some of the points just mentioned here, that oldest national park in India किए रहउछि हमर ना जिम कॉर्बेट नेशनल पार्क, जोटा कि फर्स्ट एस्टैब्लिश हेइतला इन द ईयर 1936. Yes ma'am. Yes, come to the point. The project Tiger was launched in the Jim Corbett National Park in the year 1936. In 1982, guys, that is the UNESCO World Heritage Site, rich in endemic alpine flowers. So question may be, sorry, alpine not alpine flowers. So alpine flowers by exam re question pade ki that the flowers, the very special flowers, the alpine flowers are present or can be shown in which national park in India? That is where? That is in the Valley of Flowers. Flowers को direct relate करिबो कोउठी ना Valley of Flowers National Park. Clear? See, the Nanda Devi National Park 1982 रे established हेइथिला, and the special benefit is what? The UNESCO site रे ये add हेइछि, part of Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserve. Nanda Devi National Park सहित ताकू कोन को announce करा जाइछि as a biosphere reserve also. So ताकू सेथि पई सेटा important होउछि, keep it in your mind. Then देखो राजाजी नेशनल पार्क established हेइथिला 1983 रे. तो तार किछि स्पेशल फीचर अछि, that elephants, tigers, leopards merged with Motichur and Chilla ranges. Guys, Motichur and Chilla ranges कोन नेशनल पार्क रे merge हेइछि, एटा एग्जाम रे मोस्टली पकोछि, that is the राजाजी नेशनल पार्क. तो एमिति तमे रिलेट करके मन रखिबा कि राजा जो माने तांको पाखरे हाथी भी थिबे, घोड़ा भी थिबे, बाघ भी थिबे, सीता भी थिबे, समस्त लाइक राजा माने समस्तinku कोन रखिबार कैपेसिटी से मानक पाखरे अछि, तांको मिसेई कि रखिबार कैपेसिटी अछि. तो मर्ज करूसंती कि ना राजा मर्ज करूसंती कि को जगह रे मर्ज क्वेश्चन आसीबो ना मोतीचूर एंड चिल्ला रेंज कथा मर्ज कथा आसीबो. तो चिल्ला रेंज या फिर मोतीचूर रेंज मर्ज कथा आसला ताको डायरेक्ट मन पकेबो मर्ज करि परिबे किए ना ओनली राजा करि परिबे कहाकू को मानन करि परिबे ना समस्त करि परिबे नो मैटर द एलिफेंट्स नो मैटर द टाइगर्स नो मैटर द लियोपार्ड्स क्लियर मैम डेली क्लास टाइम तो टिके कहिबे कि डेली क्लास मोर होनी I'm just coming for 2 days in a week, that is the Wednesday and Friday every week. Okay. So Gangotri National Park is related to what? Now established in the year 1989 and guys Himalayan wildlife बोली ताको famously like जेहेतु Himalayan range रे हमर अछि obviously उत्तराखंड range रे सबुतिक हमर Himalayan range रे ही present रहउछथि तो Himalayan range रे present के रहउछि गंगोत्री गंगा गाइस कोठु बाहर संती हिमालय रे बाहर संती डायरेक्ट रिलेट करिवो Himalayan wildlife is related to the Gangotri National Park established in the year 1989 establishing year मु तुमको बहुत इजीली ट्रिक रे मन रखे देबी don't you worried about that okay this is famous for what ना स्नो लियोपार्ड ऑब्वियसली हिमालयन वाइल्ड लाइफ आसला गंगा बाहरले हिमालय रे कोन देखा को मिले स्नो लियोपार्ड मिलिबे नॉर्मल लियोपार्ड तो मिलिबेनी द मस्क डियर and the origin of Ganga river is from the Gangotri National Park site clear next the Gobind National Park that is 1990 रे हमर एस्टैब्लिश हेतिला part of Upper Tons Valley part of what Upper Tons Valley guys गोविंद रु मन रखियो विष्णु को गोविंद लाइक विष्णु या फिर हमर भगवान कोठी रुहंती सब बेले ऊपर रुहंती कोठु आसिला ना पार्ट ऑफ टॉप अपर वैली सो टॉप रे के रहिबे गोविंद रहिबे क्लियर famous for what na snow leopard and the Himalayan flora clear next aso this is the largest national park टिके ब्रीफिंग अछि ना largest national park गाइस की होबो ना हेमिस national park प्रेजेंट कोठी रहउची ना लद्दाख रे प्रेजेंट रहउची हेमिस national park present in Ladakh and approximately cover करूची 4400 square kilometer the smallest national park as well कमानु कहतिली the oldest largest smallest float हेकी रहउची everything this type of national park is very important for the both UPSC hela OPSC hela and any kind of state level examinations the smallest national park is what the South Bottom Island National Park keep it in your mind कोठी प्रेजेंट होउची ना इन द अंडमान एंड निकोबार आइलैंड अप्रोक्सीमेटली केते एरिया कवर करूची ना 5.19 किलोमीटर स्क्वायर गाइस सबटु कम केते रहउची ना अप्रोक्सीमेटली 5 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर एंड हाईएस्ट के रहउची ना 4400 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर क्लियर द फर्स्ट नेशनल पार्क दैट इज द जिम कॉर्बेट नेशनल पार्क First national park, Jim Corbett National Park, present रहुची उत्तराखंड रे established हेसी in 1936 क्लियर रहइबो टोटल उत्तराखंड रे केते रहउची 6टा रहउची सबुति को इंपोर्टेंट कहियाबो गले एग्जाम पर्सपेक्टिव रु मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट नेशनल पार्क्स आर प्रेजेंट इन वेयर ना उत्तराखंड क्लियर हाईएस्ट नंबर ऑफ किए ना यूपी केते 12 क्लियर the unique features have the national park as the Kebul Lenzo National Park that is Manipur रे अछि ताकू कोन कहल जाउची ना the only floating national park the only floating national park कोठी प्रेजेंट अछि मणिपुर रे अछि ना पचले कोन कहइबा ना Kebul Lenzo National Park okay the Kebul Lenzo National Park ताकू बिटी सॉफ्टवेयर काढिबा but in the next session and guys the Gulf of Kancha the Gulf of Kutch Marine National Park is present in where Gujarat and this is famous for कहतिली त मानकु जते बेले मने पकोथिली कि गाइस एटा को मने रखो this is important one India's first marine national park जोटा कि अटैच रहितला का सहित ना marine range सहित ओके वाटर बॉडी सहित हमर रेंज अटैच हेकी जो फर्स्ट नेशनल पार्क बिल्ड हेतला that is the Gulf of Kutch Marine National Park मन रहइबो India's first marine national park obviously ता सहित ही ऐड हेकी हमरा marine water अछि so you can easily detect that clear floating national park yes ma'am all are clear now come to the question answer round guys come to the MCQs round hope तमने comment section रे answer जणेबो so tell me the first question answer which is the oldest national park in India the Gir National Park Jim Corbett National Park Kanha National Park or Kaziranga National Park एबे ही कहिछि को what is the oldest national park in India B. Very good. So Jim Corbett National Park. Guys, Gir National Park हमरा कोठी प्रेजेंट रहउची ना हमरा एक रे तो एस्टैब्लिश हेतला केबे 1965 रे गिर हमरा हेतला 1965 रे पर जिम को केबे हेतला ना कहली 1939 रे हेतला तो 1936 कहतिले थिंक ना 1936 रे 1936 रे हेतला बट गिर नेशनल पार्क 1965 रे हेतला एंड दिस इज फेमस फॉर व्हाट दिस इज फेमस फॉर द एशियाटिक लायंस गिर रु मने रखिबो एशियाटिक लायंस से सब ट्रिक रे तमको मानकु मने रखेबी डोंट यू वरीड अबाउट दैट ओके दिस इज फेमस फॉर व्हाट एशियाटिक लायन कैसा प्रश्न हमर कान्हा नेशनल पार्क एटा एस्टैब्लिश हेतला केबे ना आफ्टर 1936 एटा दिस इज 1955 just 10 years before the Gir National Park and Kanha National Park is famous for what na amara barasingh जो कहते ना हमरा barasingh हला tigers हला these are the rich biodiversity in the Kanha National Park that is barasingh and as well as tiger the Kaziranga National Park is Kaziranga is famous for first established हेतला केबे 1974 चारटा ऑप्शन भितर ये सबटू लेट रही हेतला सो ताको ऑड वन आउट कर दो बट काजीरंगा गाइस फेमस फॉर व्हाट ना कीप इट इन माइंड दिस इज वन हॉर्न्ड राइनो हमरो डायनासोर्स क्लियर नेक्स्ट देखिबा वेरी गुड नेक्स्ट चलो तो एटा तो तार एक्सप्लेनेशन गाइस तमन को पई अछि that is the Jim Corbett National Park established in 1936 रे and as the known as what Haley National Park renamed later in honor of what Jim Corbett significance the oldest national park in India famous for Bengal tigers elephants and leopards part of Project Tiger launched in 1973 that is the Corbett was the first to be included in the Tiger Reserve planning जेतबेले इंडिया रे फर्स्ट टाइम पे आसिला so first को पार्क एंट्री होला obviously जोटा फर्स्ट पार्क हेतिबो सेटा एंट्री हेतिबो no matter first park was the Jim Corbett National Park but obviously tiger ही सेठी अछंती that is famous for the tiger and leopards also okay the landscape is hills riverine dales marshy depressions grasslands and the large lakes next देखो guys this session is very important to the माने पूरा कंसंट्रेटली क्लास देखिबो बहुत सारा रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन आंसर भी तमाने पाइबे ठीक which national park is also a UNESCO world heritage site for its alpine flora which national park is also a UNESCO world heritage site for its alpine flora the Nanda Devi National Park Valley of Flowers National Park Great Himalayan National Park or Kaziranga National Park. Tell me what will be the right answer. Guys, alpine is a what? Alpine is a flower ma'am. So alpine को directly relate करिबा कहा सहित flower सहित flower कोठी कहितिले ना Valley of Flowers National Park रे कहितिले okay so की relate हबो ना directly Valley of Flowers National Park Nanda Devi guys also a UNESCO World Heritage Site but known for कुछ भाई ना high mountain ecosystem Nanda Devi National Park is known for its high mountain ecosystem and Nanda Devi Peak भी अच्छी and this is a high mountain ecosystem not primarily for the हमें कोई परिवे only हमारा जो flower अच्छी alpine flower that is present in the flowers that is the Valley of Flowers National Park okay next देखो the Great Himalayan National Park that is present in where Himachal represent रहुची Himachal Pradesh state that is famous for this is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 2014 Nanda Devi भी अच्छी ये भी अच्छी but कौन-सी कौन now with UNESCO World Heritage Site this is famous for the alpine flora so clearly alpine is a flower and that is related to the Valley of Flowers National Park the Kaziranga National Park that is present in Assam okay So that is the best for what? Number one horn rhinoceros ebe कहथिली. Clear? Next चलो. So the value of Flowers National Park विषय किसी detailed information अच्छी. Just have a look. This is very important for the exam perspective. As the location is the Chamoli district, Uttarakhand. Present रहुची famous for the alpine flowers, meadows and the rare endemic Himalayan flora. That is not important. Just keep in your mind the single word is alpine flowers. Clear? The status is declared in UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2005 along with Nanda Devi National Park as part of the Nanda Devi and Valley of Flowers National Park World Heritage Site. So with the Nanda Devi, amara declare ହେଇଥିଲା in the same year कोटा amara UNESCO World Heritage Site भाବରେ amara Valley of Flowers National Park. Established 1982 रे park establishment ହେଇଥିଲା. The altitude around 3,500 to 6,700 meters above the sea level. The best time to visit is the July to September. That is the best time जोटी कि तमे माने सब flowers देखि परिबो. Obviously this is the पण हमरा monsoon to start ହେଇकी just monsoon period ही तमे माने भलो season को feel करि परिबो and सब types of flowers भी देखि परिबो. And access through a trek from Gobind Ghat around 16 kilometers away. This is the Valley of Flowers National Park is present. Sorry, V is correct answer. Okay, come to the point. The Keval Lamjao National Park is famous for being the only national park that is underwater on volcanic terrain, floating or underground. That is famous for what? The Keval Lamjao National Park is famous for being the only national park जोटा कि ता पाखरे से गोटे कैरेक्टर अछि जोटा कि अलगा कोनोसी national park पाखरे नाही. That is ताकू specified करूची कोथि पई guys. That is present in where? Manipur. Manipur रे कोन present रहिछि guys ना floating condition रे हमरो national park present रहुछि. Yes, that is floating. So see the detailed explanation about the Keval Lamjao National Park. Clear? The location is the Bishnupur district, that is Manipur, India. District is not that important. Just mane rakho Manipur. The unique feature, it is the only floating national park in the world. Worldwide re only national park that is situated in floating condition, that is the Keval Lamjao National Park. Guys, नाटा भी टिके तमनको difficult लागुथो मन रखिया को, but जेहेतु टिके unique अछि तो ताकू टिके try करो मन रखिया. Okay, that is the KL. एमडी मन रखि दियो KL. Okay, so established 1977 रे. Suppose KL लो मन रखो केवल लामजाओ नेशनल पार्क. KL राहुल कथा मन पकाओ से जदी अधिक क्रिकेट रे तले खेले तो तार झाळ बाहरे बॉडी रु पानी बाहरे. That means पानी को रिलेट करिवो का सहित क्रिकेटर KL राहुल सहित. Clear? So केवल लामजाओ नेशनल पार्क. Area guys, this is approximately 40 square kilometer located on Loktak Lake. Guys, this is also very important. Immediately question say that on which lake the national park, that is the KL National Park or Keval Lamjao National Park is situated. That is on Loktak Lake. The largest freshwater lake in northeast India. And floating are what? Now mosses of Fundis, एटा भी exam रे पड़े. कहा ऊपरे फ्लोटिंग कंडीशन रुहे गाइस ना मॉसेस ऊपरे रुहे सॉरी मासेस ऊपरे रुहे को मासेस ऊपरे रुहे ना फुंडीस ऊपरे रुहे. ओके, सो जो टाइप्स रो घास गुडा हमर ताकू फ्लोटिंग कंडीशन रे रखंती चारिपटे जो घास थाए ताकू हम कोन कहउछे ना फुंडीस. दैट इज अ फ्लोटिंग decomposed plant material in various stages of decay. Clear? Next Iba, see which national park hosts the one-horned rhinoceros in large numbers? One-horned rhinoceros largely को जगह रे हमको देखिबा को मिले guys. Obviously से जगह रे जोठे कि हमर कोन अछि ना काजीरंगा national park. The Kaziranga National Park is famous for what? Now one-horned rhinoceros. The Manas National Park present कोड रहउची आसाम रे रहउची. And guys, Manas National Park तारो like World UNESCO Heritage Site रे से हमर add हेची, but this is famous for what? The golden langur. मन रखि थिबो golden langur. Clear? Tigers, elephants and the biodiversity hotspot also, but the famous is the Golden Lagoon. And the Jim Corbett, that is present in Uttarakhand. This is present in Assam. This is present in Uttarakhand. And Jim Corbett, repeat this is the oldest one, 1936 established and best famous for the Bengal tigers. Okay. Next, the Periyar National Park, that is present in Kerala. Periyar, the naru tame jani parthu, obviously Kerala side re hi heithibo. Periyar National Park present in Kerala. Okay, this is famous for what? Elephants, and located in the Western Ghat Range. This is located in the Western Ghat Range. Famous for what? Elephants. Clear? बार बार तमनकर आसुथिबो न्यूज रे तमने जानुथिबो केरला रे एलिफेंट मानक सहित एक्सीडेंट किछि भी होउची तंगर एक्सीडेंटल डेथ होउची सो ताकू रिलेट करबो का सहित ना पेरियार नेशनल पार्क प्रेजेंट इन द केरला. So see the Kaziranga National Park and तारो टिके explanation guys अछि. The location कोठी रहउची ना आसाम रे रहउची, famous for कोन ना hosting the largest population of the one-horned rhinoceros. Okay, तारो zoological name अछि the Rhinoceros unicornis and in the world, and the status कोन रहउची ना UNESCO World Heritage Site रे हमर add हेची since 1985 रो. Also a tiger reserve, important bird area and a biosphere reserve is the Kaziranga National Park, established as a national park in the 1974. Clear? Protected since 1905. Landscape, the food plains of the Brahmaputra River. Guys, the question एमिति आसे कि the national park present beside the Brahmaputra River or the range of Brahmaputra River, that is which national park? That is also Kaziranga National Park. Clear? The fauna includes the one-horned rhinoceros, the tigers, elephant, etc. Next, देखो. But rhino state तो Assam में, data से Assam में. Okay, चलो. Which is the largest national park in India by area? एबे ही कहितली end of the briefing रे थिला हमर largest one and smallest one. Hope मने थिबो. कुह देखिबा केते मने अछि. Which is the largest national park in India? Tell me. That is the Namdapha, Gir, Hemis or the Ranthambore. The answer there. Which is the largest national park in India by area? Very good. Which is the? This is one is the Hemis National Park. एटा भी तमानकु रिपीट करेला बेले कहितली हेमिस उपरे मन रख. Guys, हेमिस उपरे तो जानिबा. Before that, Namdapha is guys कोठी प्रेजेंट रहउची ना अरुणाचल प्रदेश रे रहउची प्रेजेंट. कोटा Namdapha, and this is the fourth largest national park in India. आपको मन रख. This is the fourth largest. Clear? Namdapha, known for what? Na high biodiversity, and this is being the only park in India with 4 big cats. Now 4 big cats. Okay, include tiger, leopard, snow leopard, and the clouded leopard. Okay, these are the Namdapha having. Then Gir, guys, this is present. Gir, G for Gir, G for Gujarat. Gujarat represent Rohchi Gir, and this is famous for what? Koithili, Asiatic lions. Famous for what? Asiatic lions. Clear? Next, guys, the Ranthambore, that is present in where? R for Ranthambore, R for Rajasthan. Okay, the present Rohchi Kothre, guys. Sorry, Rajasthan Rohchi, and this is famous for Royal Bengal tigers and historical Ranthambore Fort. Tamar Ranthambore Fort कोठे अछि? Rajasthan रे अछि. That's why आमे तार ना दिया जाछि Ranthambore National Park, and this is famous for what? Famous for Bengal tigers. Clear? Popular safari destination also there. Okay. Next चलो देखो हेमिस नेशनल पार्क, that is location कोड रहउची ना लद्दाख रे रहउची. हेमिस रु मने पकेबो हेमिस्फियर एंड हेमिस रु तमाने मने पके परिबो हिम माने हमर बरफ आसिला कोठी देखिबा ना ऑब्वियसली से वाला रीजन रे थिबो, that means लद्दाख. Area केते 4400 square kilometer approximately, and this is the largest national park in India by area. Established हेतला केबे 1981 established हेतला, famous for snow leopard. Okay, altitude range केते कोची 3000 meter to above to 6000 meter approximately, and no human settlements within coast zone. Okay, named after Hemis monastery and a famous Tibetan Buddhist site nearby. Monosyllabic information about the Hemis. Clear. Next देखो, the only marine national park in India is located in Koitili. That is the only marine national park. Tamil Nadu, Gujarat रे, Andhra Pradesh रे, और guys Andaman रे, sorry Andhra Pradesh नहीं, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Andaman और Kerala. कोठी present होची? Tell me the right answer. That is present in. Give me the answer in the comment section. Please to give the answer in the comment section. Guys, ठीक है, first करो, बहुत सारा question अच्छी, time बहुत कम अच्छी, clear करिया को पड़ियो. That is present in Gujarat. The only marine national park in India is located in Gujarat. जिबा ता विषय डिटेल रे तो जानिबा. The marine national park is what? The marine national park Gulf of Kutch. ताको मन रखिबो. Gulf रु मन रखिबो कोन? Gulf of Kutch रु direct marine. Okay. Location कोड रहउची ना जामनगर district, Gujarat रे, established year 1982 रे रहितला. India is the only marine national park spread across केते 42 islands in the Gulf of Kutch. केते island को spread करिछि ना, at least 42 island, छोटे छोटे island को नेकी से कोन established होइछि, and accessible during low tide by foot or boat. Some areas are what? Intertidal. Clear? Before that guys, the Tamil Nadu रे present होउछि हमरा बहुत सारा, like तमन को मन रखिया को पड़िबो. The Gulf of Mannar Biosphere Reserve also present in the Tamil Nadu range, and guys Andaman रे हमरा present होउछि ताको, sorry Andaman, yes Andaman रे guys हमरा महात्मा गांधी, I think just टिके माने पड़नी गोटे मिनिट. Andaman is Kerala. Andaman रे रहिबो महात्मा गांधी मराइन. Yes, Andaman रे guys relate करिबो काहाकू ना महात्मा गांधी को, महात्मा गांधी को रिलेट करिबो कला पानी सहित. कला पानी कोठी थाए? आइलैंड रे थाए. दैट इज अंडमान सहित रिलेट करिबो गाइस. ओके, तो महात्मा गांधी मराइन नेशनल पार्क हमर कोठी प्रेजेंट होची? अंडमान रे. केरला रे गाइस देयर इज नो मराइन नेशनल पार्क प्रेजेंट इन केरला, सो ताको ऑडवान आउट करिबो. बट तमिलनाडु रे इज व्हाट? द गल्फ ऑफ मैनर बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व इज आल्सो present there, or we can say the rich marine biodiversity is Tamil Nadu. Is Tamil Nadu. Clear? Next देखो, the Great Himalayan National Park is located in. Great Himalayan National Park is located in where? Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir or Sikkim. The right answer is Himachal Pradesh. The Great Himalayan National Park is located in Himachal Pradesh. Great Himalayan, Himachal Pradesh. Relate करि परिबो. उत्तराखंड रे गाइस प्रेजेंट रहउची कोन? नंदा देवी हैला एंड जिम कॉर्बेट हैला. ए सब हमर फेमस रहउचंती, लाइक नंदा देवी. गाइस रिपीट करूची एथि पई कि तमन को माइंड रहिबो. एंड मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट, द जिम, द ओल्डेस्ट नेशनल पार्क इज प्रेजेंट इन द उत्तराखंड. जम्मू एंड कश्मीर रे गाइस देयर इज two national parks, that is the, no Jammu Kashmir I think 4 थिला ना. The Harz Daching National Park, Hemis National Park, important is the Hemis National Park मन रखिबो present in Jammu and Kashmir. Sikkim range रे guys रहिबो हमरो कोन Kanchenjunga National Park, that is enough. Okay, that is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. So about the Great Himalayan National Park, location रहुची Kullu district, Himachal Pradesh, India, and established in the year 1984 and declared as a national park in 1999. UNESCO World Heritage Site recognized in 2014 for its exceptional biodiversity and the conservation practices. The area approximately cover करूची 1171 square kilometer. The key feature is part of the Himalayan National Park is 1500 meter to over 6000 meter altitude rahiba. Biodiversity hotspot, over 375 species of fauna and 1000 plus species of flora are present there. Notable species including the snow leopard, Himalayan thar and the musk deer, the western trackfawn, that is the rare bird, and the blue sheep is the part of the western Himalayas. Okay, this is the Great Himalayan Range. Most importantly ताकि मन रखिबो को डेट रे से वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट रे ऐड हेतिला, को डेट रे नेशनल पार्क भाबरे डिक्लेयर हैला एंड एस्टैब्लिश हेतिला को ईयर रे तीनटा डेट ही इंपोर्टेंट 1984 important, 1999 important and 2014 important. Clear? Next see. Guys, next. Oh, sorry. Which of the following park is a tiger reserve and a biosphere reserve? Which of the following park is a tiger reserve and a biosphere reserve? The Nanda Devi, Similpal, Sariska or the Nagarhole? Tell me. Biosphere reserve as well as the tiger reserve. Okay, obviously this is our Similpal. Our Similpal, before that guys, Nanda Devi tamanu koichi koti present rahuchi na Uttarakhand present rahuchi. Okay, this is also a tiger reserve, a protected tiger reserve, but sorry, apart from that, this is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a biosphere reserve, but not a what? I mean, the biosphere reserve, this is not a biosphere reserve. This is not a tiger reserve. And Sariska, explain kariba, this is a tiger reserve, but not designated as a biosphere reserve. The Nagarhole and the Sariska amara kodi present rahuchi guys na Rajasthan. Clear? And the Nagarhole guys kodi present rahuchi na Karnataka. कर्नाटकार मंदिर मानू तमु कौन कह नगर स्टाइल मंदिर गाइस कर्नाटक प्रेजेंट अच्छी दैट मीन्स आम कहीपर कर्नाटक नगरहोल सहित रिलेट कर एंड एटा कोट डिस्ट्रिक्ट रे बंदीपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट रे प्रेजेंट होची नगरहोल कर्नाटक एंड रिकॉग्नाइज्ड एज ए टाइगर रिजर्व बट दिस इज नॉट ए वेल रिकॉग्नाइज्ड बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट सिमिलपाल अभयारण्य ओडिया रे लिखिया पे केते टाइम लागिला? मिस्टर मधुली Daktar, what a name. Okay, so Similpal विषय टिके डिटेल अच्छी देखि दियो. That is present obviously in Mayurbhanj district Odisha. Status तार कौन होची tiger reserve as well as the biosphere reserve and as well as the UNESCO World Heritage Site रे भी से add होची. Okay, so tiger reserve guys 1973 under present tiger रे first आसीतिला हमरो tiger reserve रे ओडिसा रो 1973 रे. Similpal biosphere reserve have designated हेतला 1994 by government of India and UNESCO World Heritage Site रे हमर आडितला 2009. Area approximately 2705 square kilometer cover of करूची in biosphere area, but in core tiger reserve हमर total area केते cover करूची ना extra 845 square kilometer cover of करूची. So is the terrain species is the sal forest, the grasslands, waterfalls and the hills. Famous for the Royal Bengal tigers, Asian elephant and the gores. That is the Indian vision. Clear? And communities, Odisha ପାଇଁ बहुत important जेहेतु communities भी ताको add करिछि मन रखो. That is the Santhalas and the Ho people live in the buffer area. Main the Santhalas are very much popular in the regional area of Similpal forest. Clear? Similpal आम मयूरभंज तम मयूरभंज कौन पाई सेटा आम मयूरभंज भी कहले आम मयूरभंज मु कौन ओडिशा बाहर आसी भावछ ना कौन मु भी ओडिशा तो आम मयूरभंज. Which national park in Rajasthan is known for desert, wildlife and sand dunes. Which national park in Rajasthan is known for desert, wildlife and sand dunes? Sariska, guys, keep it in your mind. कौन कहूची ना सरिस्का कोठी प्रेजेंट होउची guys? This is Rajasthan. ओके तो याकू भाबिबार तमनकर चांसेस थाए जेमति तमनु कहूची. बट गाइस मुकुंद्रा हिल नेशनल पार्क एटा कोठी रहउची ना ये भी हमरो राजस्थान रे रहउची. दैट इज कोटा डिस्ट्रिक्ट रे रहउची. ओके डेजर्ट नेशनल पार्क obviously that is also, and the Keoladeo national park that's also in Rajasthan. So चारिटा जाक ऑप्शन तमनको एमिति दबो इल्यूजन रे पके देलै कि राजस्थान रही दबो एमति नै बाहर दबो हिमाचल रु दबो कि अलगा को डिस्ट्रिक्ट रु दबो तमने ऑडवन आउट करि परिबो. ओके इन दैट केस तमनको रिलेट करके मन रखता निहाती दरकार. क्लियर? ओके सो द राइट आंसर इज व्हाट? द डेजर्ट नेशनल पार्क. Which national park in Rajasthan is known for desert wildlife and sand dunes? That is the desert national park. Clear? And guys, the Sariska, जेमती कहिली कि तमनकर एटा कोठी प्रेजेंट रहउची ना अलवार डिस्ट्रिक्ट राजस्थान रो अलवार डिस्ट्रिक्ट रिप्रेजेंट रहउची and this is famous for the tigers, leopards and the deciduous forest wildlife. This is not a desert or sand dunes. So ठीक है desert full of desert and full of sand dunes. This is not a reserve from the Rajasthan. And Mukundra Hills we can consider kariba guys. This is Kota district obviously present rahuchi and known for the tiger conservation and the hilly terrain. This is also not a desert or sand dunes. And the Keoladeo is also like the wetland bird sanctuary and migratory birds reservation ethi rahuchi Keoladeo re, but this is not a desert habitat. This is not a desert habitat. को district रे रहउची राजस्थान रा भरतपुर district रे present रहउची. Clear? So about the desert national park, see the location is in the Jaisalmer and Barmar district Rajasthan. That is area cover karuchi 3162 square kilometer approximately. One of the largest national park in India. One of the largest but not the largest one. Famous is desert wildlife adapted to arid conditions, sand dunes. Best famous for the sand dunes, rocky terrain and the saltwater lakes. The desert with the sand dunes ପାଇଁ famous ଅଛି କିଏ ନା desert ମନେ ରହିବ. Next ଦେଖ. And the unique habitat is the third desert ecosystem with both desert and semi-desert species are also present in the desert national park. Bharatpur. Okay. Next, see. So this is the desert national park. Which park was the first to be declared a tiger reserve in India? The Bandipur, Kanha, Jim Corbett, Nagarjun Sagar, the Srisailam. Guys, someone already called the oldest GA है obviously see ही first declare है ना tiger reserve. So oldest किया है उसे हमारा ना Jim Corbett is the oldest one. Jim Corbett is the oldest one. So obviously सेटा ही हमारा right answer हबो. For is the case of Bandipur guys, that is Karnataka रे present केबे हमारा established ही थिला 1973 रे. Jim Corbett 1936 रे. Kanha National Park हमारा केबे ही थिला in the year 1973 also. Okay, Bandipur Kanha 1973 रे ही थिला, but in the case of Jim Corbett that is 1936 रे ही थिला. Okay, and Nagarjuna हमारा much later than the Jim Corbett. Clear? Next, see about the Jim Corbett guys. बार-बार repeat कलेनी already तमाम जानिथिबो उत्तराखंड रे present रहउची. That is the formerly part of the Uttar Pradesh, but right now this is present in where? In Uttarakhand. That is the first tiger reserve. It was the first national park to be declared as a tiger reserve in India under the Project Tiger 1973. Originally established as a Heli National Park. Original name was the first name of the national park. Jim Corbett National Park was the Heli National Park. ठीक अछि? That is like later on renamed ହେଇଥିଲା Jim Corbett National Park, but famous for the Bengal tigers and the Himalayan footfills ताको भी मने रखिबो. That is okay, the Himalayan foothills with the forest grasslands and the different types of riverine beds. Next, see the Rani Jhansi Marai National Park. Next question answer दिया guys. Largest here ना कर चु. Rani Jhansi Marine National Park is located in Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Gujarat, or Andaman and Nicobar Island. Not Maharashtra. Lisa Lynn. Make yourself correct. Okay. Rani Jhansi Marine National Park is present where? In Andaman and Nicobar Island. Okay. Tamil Nadu guys present hochi kono na Gulf of Mannar Biosphere Reserve. Okay. Maharashtra रे के रहुची एटा लिखिते Gulf of Mannar. Maharashtra रे guys कौन रहुची ना the marine biodiversity along with the Konkan coast. Okay. कौन ना Konkan coast सहित कागु relate करिबो ना Maharashtra रे. Marine कथा कहिछि, that's why I am relating with the Konkan. And in the case of Gujarat, that is the Marine National Park in Gulf of Kutch. Gulf of Kutch कोठी रहुची ना Gujarat रे. Here in the Andaman. Okay, the Rani Jhansi Marine National Park location is the Beaches Archipelago, part of Andaman and Nicobar Island, established in 1996 re, and the type is the Marine National Park, named in honor of Rani Lakshmibai. Clear? Next, see. Which of the following is the smallest national park in India? Which of the following is the smallest national park in India? Smallest national park in India, that is the Sultanpur, Windy, South Bottom Island, Valley of Flowers. କହିଥିଲି ସବୁଠୁ smallest कोउडा रहिबो? Smallest मन रखिबो, bottom is very very small in size. That means bottom सहित काहागु relate करिबो ना park रो size सहित. Smallest national park is the Bottom National Park, South Bottom Island. Clear? That is South Bottom Island. तो सुल्तानपुर नेशनल पार्क कोठी प्रेजेंट होची? सुल्तानपुर. सुल्तान मूवी रिलेट करिवो कोठी हेतिला? हरियाणा रे. हरियाणा के छोरे. ओके, सो सुल्तानपुर रिलेट करिवो विथ हरियाणा. Clear? And this is famous for Sultanpur. Our national park is famous for what? Now the bird sanctuary. This is famous for what? The bird sanctuary. The Guindi National Park present in where? Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu देखिछो ना मूवी रे को टाइप रो गुंडा माने सब थांती. Guindi is related to the gunda, a very dangerous gunda माने सब थांती. Okay, so Guindi National Park is related to the Tamil Nadu. Clear? This is the smallest, one of the smallest parks in the urban setting. Okay, the Chennai city data present रहुची Guindi National Park. About the Valley of Flowers, already मु तमनु कहिची. गोटे कथा मन रखिबो कोन ना हमर जो flowers टा important अछि ताकु ही मन रखिबो. That is the famous UNESCO World Heritage Site also. जो flower ना हमर कोन थिला? The alpine flower. The alpine flower को relate करके Valley of Flowers मन रखिबो. Clear? See about the South Bottom Island guys. Location कोठी रहउची? Andaman and Nicobar Island रे रहउची. Area cover करछु केते ना only 5 square kilometers. That 5.16 or 19 something square kilometer थिला. So that is the most smallest or the smallest national park in India. The type रहउची, that is the Marine National Park, the part of the Rani Jhansi Marine National Park group. That is established in 1987 रे, famous कोथि पई? Coral reefs, sea turtles and the dongons and the marine fish and the exotic birds. Excellent site for the snorkeling and diving. Protected for what? Its fragile coral reef ecosystem and marine biodiversity. Guindi, Tamil Nadu. Valley of Flowers, Uttarakhand. Yes. Next guys, which national park is famous for the hangul? That is the Kashmir stag. ओके हंगुल रिलेटेड टू द कश्मीर दैट मीन्स कहा सहित रिलेट करिबो कश्मीर रे जो नेशनल पार्क हमर प्रेजेंट रहितिबो तो को नेशनल पार्क हमर प्रेजेंट रहउची हंगुल इज व्हाट गाइस हंगुल इज अ टाइप ऑफ हमें कहि परिबा डियर रेड डियर ओके दैट इज हंगुल एंड एटा कोठी देखिया को मिले वो दचिगाम किश्तवाड़ पिन वैली और हेमिस which national park is famous for the hangul that is the Kashmir stag that is famous in Kashmir that means Kashmir region रे जोटा हमर थिबो the right answer is what dachigam कहिथिली कश्मीर रो पढैला बेले dachigam is most important one keep it in your mind so guys the Kiswa national park also present in Jammu and Kashmir the Pir Valley national park is located in Himachal Pradesh ताको ऑड वन आउट करि परिबो हिमाचल प्रदेश रे हेमिस national park that's present in कोड कहिथिली लद्दाख ओके तो जे एंड के रे हमर कोन होइची बीटा ना दचिगन एंड द किश्तवाड़ किश्तवाड़ इज फेमस फॉर व्हाट ना हिमालयन वाइल्ड लाइफ लाइक द स्नो लियोपार्ड हेला एंड द आइबेक्स हेला द मफ्ट डियर हेला बट द रेड डियर और ताकि पॉपुलरली हंगुल को जाय सेटा कोठी रहउची ना दचिगाम रे प्रेजेंट रहउची सी अबाउट द दचिगाम तो नियर श्रीनगर हमर प्रेजेंट रहउची द दचिगाम ओके जम्मू एंड कश्मीर एस्टैब्लिश्ड हिजला केबे इनिशियली प्रोटेक्टेड एरिया इन 1910 declared as a national park in 1981 area about 141 square kilometer that's not much bigger or the altitude range from 1600 meter to 4200 meter covering both lower and upper forest zone famous for what hangul also known as the Kashmir stock or like mone rakho hangul word ta hangul means kono na popularly known as the Kashmir stock okay critically that is endangered जोटा कि स्पेशली से हमारा कोन दचिगाम नेशनल पार्क में देखियो को मिले not in other place the only natural habitat of hangul in the world is present in the dachigam national park also home to the leopard himalayan black deer musk deer himalayan grey langur ये सब हम ऐड करि पारि clear next see Kuno National Park in Madhya Pradesh is associated with guys tell me Kuno National Park in Madhya Pradesh is associated with swamp deer relocation of cheetahs wild buffaloes or the Himalayan monarch Kuno National Park in Madhya Pradesh is associated with guys this is associated with the relocation of the cheetah so cheetahs manakar relocation pa important hochi ke na Kuno National Park okay and the swamp deer guys this is with relate kariba kaha sahita barasingh sahita कहitili kaha sahita relate kariba na barasingh okay that is present in where the swamp deer or the barasingh sahita ame relate kariba kaha ku barasingh famous is the Kanha National Park that is Kanha National Park and present Kanha National Park guys कोट रहउची ना हमरा MP रे present रहउची okay wild buffaloes कोठी देखिया को मिलिबो primarily हमें कोठी देखुचे ना छत्तीसगढ़ एंड आसाम रे that means आसाम रे हमें कहा को इजीली कहि परिबा ना काजीरंगा को काजीरंगा एंड छत्तीसगढ़ रे हमें कहा को नहीं परिबा ना अबाउट द आटा ही मने पडुनी अबाज्ञान आटा थिला गाइस दैट इज उडंती को नहीं परिबा उडंती सितांडी that is a national park present in where Chhattisgarh ताको नहीं परिबा द हिमालयन मोनल गाइस that is उत्तराखंड रे प्रेजेंट रहउची हिमाचल प्रदेश रे भी अरुणाचल प्रदेश रे भी बेसिकली द स्नोइंग एरिया रे हमरा प्रेजेंट रहउची हिमालयन मोनल okay that is a native to the Himalayan region so these are the types of what habitat present in the different zone different national parks so see about the Kuno National Park guys so that is present in the Soipur district Madhya Pradesh declared national park in the year 2018 earlier a wildlife sanctuary famous for what a cheetah reintroduction project is the first in India in September 2022 चीता को नेकी जदी कौन से प्रोजेक्ट लॉन्च हेतिला कहा को नेकी ना कोनो नेशनल पार्क को नेकी एंड दिस इज द व्हाट रिप्लेसमेंट ऑफ द चीतास टू one place to another. The African cheetahs were brought from Namibia and the latter from South Africa as part of India's effort to revive the extinct species. Okay, ताकू भी relate करी परिबा. Next, see, which national park is also known for the Nilgiri third population? कोटा रहिबा नीलगिरी third population पाई national park is related to the that is Eraviculum. कोटा present रहिबा guys ना Eraviculum. Why not Silent Valley? Silent Valley कोटा present रहउची guys ना Kerala रे present रहउची. And guys Silent Valley is a major habitat कौन रहिबा ना lion हमर रहउची major. Kerala रे कौन रहिबा ना lion is the major habitat here. We can, that is a tropical rainforest area also there to Kerala region rahuchi. Guys, Ansi National Park कोट रहिबा Ansi present in Karnataka. Ansi present in Karnataka. That is a what Kali Tiger Reserve हम तब कोई परिबा because of the Kali Tiger Reserve. Clear? And guys, the Muddumalai National Park. Muddumalai. The naru hi tame jani partho ko jaga re thiba na Tamil Nadu region re present house the Muddumalai. Okay, that is famous for the elephants, tigers, and the goats. Here, see about what na the Erviculum. Guys, the Erviculum National Park located in the Idukki and Ernakulam district of Kerala. That's why the name mixi diya hechi kona na Erviculum. Okay, the region in Western Ghat declared as national park in 1978, famous for what? The largest surviving population of Nilgiri Tar, that is the indigent Mount goat, known for rolling grasslands, solar forest, and the Anamudi thick. Anamudi movie देखी थी तुम मैंने ताकू relate करीबा कहाँ सही तो ना Erviculum National Park. Okay, the highest peak in South India is the Anamudi thick. It is in endemic flora fauna, also known for the Nila Kurinzi flower. Okay, so this is all about today's class. Ahuri bhi question achi 30 ta MCQs thila, but due to the shortage of time we cannot cross the time. Already 13 minutes cross he sarlani. So iti class end karuchi guys. Again dekha haba tamuku kichi new session, new MD more class emiti hi rahuchi every Friday and Wednesday and Friday rahuchi. First mu kichi briefing karuchi what I am going to study about, then apan manakar MCQs round. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. I hope आपण मानकु क्लास भल लगी थिबो. Okay. Thank you. So every Wednesday and Friday do join with me to know more about the this type of case studies. Okay. Thank you. Very thank you, ma'am. इतने सारा thank you. आज thank you रे ही बेटा भूली जीवा right? Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Take care of yourself. But be the first priority of your parents. Okay. So take care of your parents first. Thank you so much.